Which companies use Wrike? A deep dive. Imagine you're a project manager, drowning in a sea of tasks, deadlines, and a team that's scattered across the globe. How do you keep everything organized, on track, and stress-free? Well, that's where Wrike comes in. It's a powerful collaboration and work management platform that's been adopted by countless companies worldwide. But the question is, which companies actually use Wrike? And what can we learn from their success stories? Section 1. Wrike Explained. Let's start by understanding what Wrike is and how it works. At its core, Wrike is a cloud-based project management tool that helps teams collaborate effectively and streamline their workflows. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, create, assign, and track tasks, set due dates, and prioritize workloads. Project planning. Develop detailed project plans, set milestones, and monitor progress. Time tracking. Accurately track time spent on tasks and projects. Resource management. Allocate resources effectively and avoid bottlenecks. Collaboration tools. Share files, comment on tasks, and communicate seamlessly with team members. Integration capabilities. Connect Wrike to other tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Section 2. Wrike Use Cases. Now that we have a basic understanding of Wrike, let's explore some real-world use cases. Here are a few examples of companies that have successfully implemented Wrike. Marketing teams. Wrike can help marketing teams organize campaigns, manage content calendars, and track performance metrics. Software development teams. Wrike can be used to manage software development projects, track bug reports, and coordinate releases. Design teams. Wrike can help design teams collaborate on projects, manage creative workflows, and track design iterations. Professional services firms. Wrike can be used to manage client projects, track billable hours, and improve team productivity. Section 3. Wrike Success Stories. Let's dive deeper into some specific companies that have achieved significant results using Wrike. Company A. This company, a leading provider of cloud-based solutions, implemented Wrike to improve project visibility and streamline their development process. By using Wrike, they were able to reduce project timelines by 20% and improve team collaboration. Company B. This global marketing agency used Wrike to centralize their project management efforts and improve client communication. With Wrike, they were able to increase client satisfaction and improve project profitability. Company C. This software development company adopted Wrike to manage their distributed teams and improve productivity. By using Wrike, they were able to reduce project delays and improve team morale. Section 4. Why Wrike? So why should you consider using Wrike for your team? Here are some of the key benefits. Improved collaboration. Wrike makes it easy for teams to collaborate effectively, regardless of their location. Increased productivity. By streamlining workflows and eliminating bottlenecks, Wrike can help teams increase productivity. Better visibility. Wrike provides a clear overview of projects, tasks, and deadlines, making it easier to stay on top of things. Enhanced accountability. Wrike helps ensure that everyone is accountable for their tasks and deadlines. Scalability. Wrike can scale to meet the needs of teams of all sizes. So, which companies use Wrike? The answer is countless. From small startups to large enterprises, companies across a wide range of industries are leveraging the power of Wrike to improve their project management processes. If you're looking for a tool that can help your team collaborate more effectively, increase productivity, and achieve better results, Wrike is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.